Keeping your pool's free available chlorine between 2 and 4 parts per million is key to making sure your water stays clean and safe without irritating anyone's skin. So, here's the deal with managing your pool's chlorine levels. First, always test your pool water regularly, like at least twice a week, using a reliable test kit to keep tabs on that free available chlorine. If you notice the chlorine is too low, just add more chlorine. You'll probably see the water get a bit cloudy, but that's normal while it balances out. If it's too high, give it some time to come down naturally, or add a neutralizer like peroxide or sodium thiosulfate so no one gets itchy or red skin. Remember, even if your chlorine is spot on, it won't kill everything, like certain tough bugs called cryptosporidium, so don't rely on chlorine alone for total sanitation. Some folks go fancy with UVC systems to zap those, but home versions can be pricey and bulbs burn out fast, while commercial setups are way out of most budgets. Ozone systems aren't really worth it because they don't do enough for what you pay. Finally, when you're adding chemicals, always follow the instructions and make sure your pump and filter are running well to spread everything evenly. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pool chlorine levels is not testing often enough. If you skip tests, the water can sneak into unsafe territory without you realizing it, so test regularly and keep a schedule. Another common issue is over-chlorinating because someone thinks more is always better. This just wastes money and can irritate skin, so stick to that 2 to 4 parts per million sweet spot. Third, relying solely on chlorine without using other sanitation methods or failing to maintain your pump and filter means your pool might look clean but can still harbor nasty germs. To fix this, keep up with maintenance and consider supplemental sanitation options if you want extra peace of mind. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and get projects done right without headaches. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with people who need their services and grow their business without chasing leads all day.